Can you see the image on the screen? What it is? It is the diamond which has been associated with the India's cultural heritage. Yes, we are talking about the Golconda blue diamond, which is in news because it is being auctioned. Hello and welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Golconda blue diamond, and this session is important for your GES 1 as well as GES 3 perspective. So let's move towards the discussion part. So before discussing the news, we are going to discuss about the Golconda blue diamond. What is the history associated with the Golconda blue diamond? What is the auction price? Who is going to auction it? So we are going to dive into the details about the Golconda blue diamond. So this is the news that this particular rare piece of India's royal heritage, the Golconda blue, which is associated with the India's history and Maharaja of Indore and Maharaja of Baroda, is going to be auctioned by the Christie. And what is Christie here? So Christie is an auction house which auction valuable pieces, art pieces, and it also funds art and education. So it is being auctioned by the Christie. So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session. So before moving to the further parts of the discussion, as you already know that we have IAS foundation course available in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. So here what we can see that Drishti IAS is in Noida. So we have IAS foundation course available in offline mode. So this is for the English medium. The class will begin by the 7th May 8 am. For Hindi medium 29th April 6 pm. And this is our address C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida, and nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. So if you want to call on to this number, if you want to know any queries, you can call us on 87501 87501. Here we can also discuss about that what is the IAS foundation online course we have. So this course is also available in online medium, and this time we have upgraded few features on the online medium course. So here we can see that here we are giving us AI summary, and it is giving you, it converts long lectures into the concise summaries. Then it is also giving you AI quiz. So based on your content, it is giving you a quiz so that you can quickly revise to the quiz that whatever you have read from the whole study material. And also there is a provision which is a ask me a question. So this provision resolve your doubts while studying. So these are the new features which has been updated to the IAS online foundation course. So do check that, and in case of any queries you can call us onto this number. Now we are going to discuss about the Golconda diamond. So here we are going to discuss about the Golconda diamond, and this diamond find its origin from the Golconda mines, which is in currently Telangana. So this is 23.24 carat vivid blue diamond mounted in a striking modern ring by celebrated Persian designer Jar, and is expected to fetch an estimated value of $35 to 50 million, and in Indian currency it is 300 to rupees 430 crore. And this is an exceptional noble gems of this caliber come to market once in a lifetime. Here are so many facts related to this Golconda blue diamond. We're also going to add up that whether it is a largest Golconda blue diamond or not, or whether it is an expensive one or not. So over the course of its 259-year history, Christie has had the honor of offering some of the world's most important Golconda diamonds, including the Archduke Joseph, Princey, and the Wittelsbach. So here we had already discussed that what is Christie. So Christie is an auctioning house which auction valuable materials, art materials, and here we can see that this is not just Golconda blue it has auctioned. It has auctioned the Archduke Joseph, the Princey, the Wittelsbach. So this is about the Christie. And if we'll see the royal heritage, extraordinary color. So this particular thing is very much famous because its association with the royal heritage, extraordinary color, and also it is truly one of the rarest blue diamonds in the world, which has been said by the Rahul Kadakia, who is Christie's international head of the jewelry. So this is about the Golconda, and here we have discussed about the features associated with the Golconda blue diamond, that it finds its origins from the Golconda mines presently in Telangana. It has different colored textures, which is rare to find out, and it has also Royal Heritage Association. So that all makes it cumulatively expensive and what you can say rare. Now we are going to discuss about the history of the Golconda blue diamond. So if we are going to trace about its history, so the scriptures talk about it, and it has an ancient history also. We have also find the mention of Alexander, that Alexander has brought transferred and transported many Golconda diamonds from India to the Europe. Then we can also find its evidence in the 13th century by the Marco Polo, and later we can find the evidence that it is a rare, we had already discussed that it is a rare 23.24 carat pear shaped blue diamond, once part of India's royal heritage, and it was owned by Maharaja Yashwant Rai Holkar of Indore, known for his luxurious lifestyle in 1920s and 30s, and his father Tukoji Rao Holkar III acquired two famous Indore pear diamonds from French jeweler Chaumet in 1913. Around 1923, Chaumet set the Golconda blue into a bracelet, and later we'll see that how it transformed into the necklace and different kind of the things. So in 1933, the Holkars appointed Mao Bosin as official jeweler who redesigned the collection into a long necklace featuring the Golconda blue and Indore pears. And the necklace was immortalized in a 1930s portrait of Maharani Sanyogita Bai Holkar by French artist Bernard Botot de Monvel. So there was a portrait which features that Maharani Sanyogita Bai is wearing such kind of the diamond necklace, and this particular painting has been painted by Bernard Botot de Monvel, and Indore pears were later sold to Harry Winston in 1946, who recut them. Winston also brought the Golconda blue in 1947, setting it in a brooch with a white diamond, which he sold to the Maharaja of Baroda. He later reacquired and redesigned the brooch and marking the end of the diamond's link with the Indian royalty. So what we can see that from ancient time, from Alexander, we can find the mention in the Marco Polo travelogues, and then we can see that how Maharaja of Indore has acquired it, then it was resold to the jewelers, then it was acquired by the Maharaja of Baroda, then it was again resold, and earlier it was designed into what you can say bracelet, then from bracelet it was designed into the necklace, and from necklace it was designed into the brooch. So the Golconda blue diamond has a long history to go, but all these history tells us that it has a royal association and it has an Indian royal association. Now we'll talk about the other famous Golconda diamond. So there is a question that whether it is the largest Golconda diamond or not, or whether it is the largest diamond which has been sold, whether it is expensive. So for your information, it is neither largest or nor expensive, but it can be one of the largest and one of the expensive. So the Golconda diamonds are the world's finest transparent and rare gems, and some of the most famous Golconda stones include Kohinoor, the Agra diamond, Hope diamond at America's Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History, the Darya Noor in Iran, and the Princey diamond. At 45.52 carats, the Hope diamond is the largest known fancy blue diamond. So this got you the answer that this Golconda blue is not the largest one. The Hope diamond is the largest one. Now we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. This is very easy one because we are going to discuss this thing with the historical aspect of the diamond. The Golconda blue diamond recently in the news was originally associated with which of the following royal families of India? Here you have to mind the word which is originally. So here are your options: Nizam of Hyderabad, Maharaja of Indore, Maharaja of Baroda, Maharaja of Mysore. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. That's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. And what is the significance of this whole topic? That through this thing, we got to know about the Golconda blue diamond, its significance, and its auctioning process. We got to know about the Christie auctioning house. We got to know about the history of Baroda. We got to know about the history of Indore. So we also got to know about the painters. We also got to know about the Maharani Sangeeta Bai. So this small topic has given us many topics to discover. So thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.